पेहवा के अक्षरा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में बूम चिका बूम कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी 2024 आयोजित किया गया। प्रिंसिपल शोभे मैथ्यू की अध्यक्षता में आयोजित कार्यक्रम में छात्रों ने रंगारंग व सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों की प्रस्तुति दी। कार्यक्रम में विशिष्ट अतिथि के तौर पर यमुनानगर के सेशन जज राजेंद्र पाल व रिलायंस जियो के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट राकेश धमन व विद्यालय कार्यकारी के सदस्य प्रेमलता कहड़ा, चेयरपर्सन पूनम कहड़ा, डायरेक्टर साहिल कहड़ा, डायरेक्टर जन्नत कहड़ा, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर विपिन कहड़ा ने शिरकत की। प्रधानाचार्य व कोऑर्डिनेटर द्वारा अतिथियों को पुष्प गुच्छ देकर उनका स्वागत किया गया। विशिष्ट अतिथियों व कार्यकारी सदस्यों ने दीप प्रज्वलन व तीसरी कक्षा के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा सरस्वती वंदना के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हुई। कक्षा नर्सरी से तीसरी के विद्यार्थियों ने अपनी शानदार प्रस्तुति शिव तांडव, सरस्वती वंदना, जय श्री राम, चक दे इंडिया, जय हो, राजस्थानी कल्चर डांस, तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला आदि गीतों पर नृत्य द्वारा तथा कव्वाली व भांगड़ा के माध्यम से की गई। नर्सरी कक्षा के छात्रों ने रैंप वॉक में हिस्सा लिया। कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने वाले सभी छात्रों को मुख्य अतिथियों द्वारा प्रमाण पत्र व ट्रॉफी देकर सम्मानित किया गया। चेयरपर्सन पूनम कहड़ा व डायरेक्टर जन्नत कहड़ा ने अपने वक्तव्य में सभी को बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देते हुए सभी के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना की और कहा कि हम बच्चों में छुपी प्रतिभा को सामने लाने के ऐसे उचित अवसर उन्हें प्रदान करते रहेंगे। प्रिंसिपल शोभे मैथ्यू ने कहा कि ऐसे आयोजन बच्चों की प्रतिभा में निखार लाते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि आयोजन के बाद नए एकेडमिक सत्र की शुरुआत कर दी गई है।
My special thanks to distinguished guests, all the faculty of Akshara, proud parents and dear students for the grand success of Boom Chicka Boom. Our achievements and awards speak volumes about Akshara and its quality of education. And now it's time to enjoy those moments of glory and make the best of this time today. Thank you very much. Have a blessed evening.
Everyone, this is Nancy Sachdeva, proud mother of Sargun Kaur of UKG class in Akshara International School. I mean, what I can say about Akshara International School, in every way they impress us and they shock us. If I talk about today's celebration of Boom Chicka Boom, everything was so organized. If I talk about the stage performances, the decoration, the costume and the way the students were performing on the stage, I mean literally it was mind blowing. And I think the efforts and the wisdom and the hard work of teachers and the faculty members was clearly visible there. Moreover, the education facilities that they are providing is really commendable and the dynamic environment is just giving wings to the students. As I have seen number of the progressive changes in my own daughter under Miss Reena, that is the class teacher of UKG. So I highly recommend Akshara International School to the new parents and who are searching for the schools for the or any rising institution for their children. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Natika Chil. It's been 3 years my daughter Bhumika studying in Akshara International School and I am really happy and satisfied the way she is learning and growing up. The staff at the Akshara International School is very laborious, skillful and knowledgeable. They provide opportunities to the students to show their hidden talents through different activities. I really appreciate the school efforts and thanks all the teachers for their support and guidance. I don't have any doubt that the future of my daughter is in secure hands. I would like to thank each of you for this special day. They present this special day not only for the kids but for the parents as well. All the performances were breathtaking and mesmerizing. The kids performed gracefully and confidently. The whole experience was overwhelming. Special thanks to the teachers, management, principals for putting hard work. Thank you and have a nice day.
Akshara International School is best school in our area. Parents are satisfied and teachers are very talented. I think that students fulfill their needs.
Ongoing Boom Chicka Boom convocation ceremony at Akshara International School is just one of many initiatives the school has planned to foster a nurturing and enriching environment for its students. It's a heartwarming event where young students are celebrated for their early achievements. amidst of a flurry of colorful decorations and proud parents beaming with pride, snapping photos, the adorable graduates take center stage, receiving certificates and applause for their milestones. The atmosphere is charged with excitement and anticipation for what lies ahead. This joyful occasion marks the beginning of their educational journey, filled with the celebration of innocence, potential, promise, excitement, and the boundless wonders of childhood education. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest for gracing this convocation ceremony with their invaluable presence. With each event, we look forward to celebrating memorable experiences that instill a love for learning and empower our students to reach their full potential. Thank you.
Thank you very much.